That's puller. That's steering puller. It basically मेरे ख्याल है
Gear wrench.
gear wrench नहीं है ये
Yeah, they are gear
the
wrench.
caliper tool. Basically turning caliper tool. A fuel pump tester. A radiator tester. A OTC controller. भाई जितना तो नाइनल है एग्जॉस्ट बैक प्रेशर चेक करना क्लच फैन क्विक डिस्कनेक्ट पुलर क्रैंक पुलर भाई टूल पे इधर आना जा इधर आना जा oh god. This is a rivet.
Power probe.
Power finder. That finder. Fan clutch. All the bigger drain plug nuts. Drill bits full set. Gear gauge. Easy out. Which is basically easy out. Steering puller. That also the bit. We have torques. Line making. T8. This is clutch lining. This is stud puller. In 1985 to like tool ही तो ला रहे हैं उसे और क्यों लिया? Oh God. ये सारे ratchets चला तो शुरू करने हैं. ये almost all special tool ने.
Okay.
Inverter.
Okay.
Torques. This is also inverters. This is all special tools, up to 50 torques. This is called tripless. This is called that. That's all big sockets of Allens. All the ratchets, which should be sitting on the side, full of them. This line, this is basically full snap-on, full set. This starts from 25 and this starts from inch and 5/8. And this, it was $2,700. Yeah, this is also comes up. I got this one new ones. Any stud puller, a turbo socket for wheel lug nut. This is right here. Is also turbo socket for wheel lug nut, lugs, brakes, cautions, puller, that's what you call your clamp tool for flush. Your all the sockets, your old socket. This is alone is, I would say that I got almost 10 set of 3/8. 5 set of 1/2 inch, big socket, puller. This is also 3/8, up to 2-inch socket, up to 600 foot-pound torque wrench. Also torque right here inside, 12 point. This is loose door. Loose door, I keep it 5 line wrench. Just wrench set, 5 of them. They're all snap-ons. There's no bullshit on this. This is my old door since 1985. This SK set, I love this, and also line wrench. This is a big wrench. I have some. I use it for some time in life. I was say I didn't have anything to buy. But this is stuff like this. This is ratchet screwdriver. Well, that means something to me. I have it since almost early '90s. So, these are all the torque wrench. Big. This is 1,200 foot-pound ratchet, torque wrench. And there's Power Probe screwdriver. This is basically noise finder. This is all drill bits. This is also is on the road puller. Anything you can pull with that. Basically, this is thread, threads, anything to threads. This is Ford Camp Tool Master Kit. This is hold on one second. Get you another sign. This is almost three of them. Got 4 of them. Another sign. This Volvo Camp Tool Kit. This is for the Volvo. Akil Ahmed fixed the Volvo. this is the brick caliper kit. The turning kit. Master bushing kit for small bushing kit. I'm not gonna pull too many out, but this is right here.
AC manifold.
AC manifolds. This is basically for the press tool. Anything in the press. Bearing press, you can do anything press with that.
And ball joints.
Anything you can press with that. This is my gloves and scanners and stuff like that. This alone is called a quarter-inch set. You can find anything and basically everything out of this door. All the plier, half of them sitting right there. This is also a turbo socket, special set. This impact and ball joint. This is basically pushing on it. Hey, what's up, brother?